Measuring tapes help us measure distances and the dimensions of different objects. But a measuring tape doesn't work in every situation. Why isn't there a single tool that lets us measure everything? Now, there is. Introducing Bagel, the smart tape measure. Bagel lets you measure just about anything, at home and at work. Bagel has 3 different modes: string mode, wheel mode, and remote mode. String mode is great for measuring straight lines, curves, and around corners. Wheel mode lets you measure irregular or odd-shaped objects. And it also makes taking measurements with one hand much easier. Remote mode lets you measure objects that are far away and out of your reach. After you're done measuring, you'll need a way to record your measurements. Using pen and paper can be a real hassle. With Bagel, you can quickly and easily save your measurements with voice descriptions. Just take your measurement, push the Save button, and then tag a voice memo to it.
Door of the Future Radar.
When you're done, Bagel will send your measurements to Bagel's mobile app via Bluetooth. This mobile application lets you review your saved measurements and share them with your friends. Bagel is precise. It uses our patented technology to make sure you always get an accurate measurement. Also, Bagel has an easy-to-read digital display that's viewable in most lighting conditions. Size matters. Bagel.
I'm Chris Hawker, inventor of the Quickie and founder of Trident Design, an invention laboratory in Columbus, Ohio. The Quickie was one of those inventions born out of necessity. I was constantly using my keys to open packages which didn't work very well, and also using other items like credit cards and pennies to pry, scratch, slice, and unscrew things. Pocket knives and multi-tools are bulky and cumbersome, so I never wanted to carry one on me. So I set out to make a simple, effective, and compact solution. And what I arrived at was the idea for the Quickie, a simple multi-tool the size and shape of a key. I brought the idea to my designers at Trident Design, and together we turned the idea into an engineered reality, sketching, modeling, and 3D printing a ton of different concepts until we found the perfect solution. Originally, I was after something that could open boxes and letters more easily than a key, but then I realized that there was an opportunity for it to do more. We added a number 2 flathead screwdriver, a no-brainer, and what self-respecting designer wouldn't have added a bottle opener? Once we had tested a few 3D printed versions, we moved on to having stainless steel milled prototypes, and after a couple of iterations, we got our Quickie, the handy little tool that opens everything but doors. Although Trident has brought dozens of products to market using traditional methods, we wanted to give you all the opportunity to be innovators with us on this project. We are excited to work on this fun little project with you, and if you like what you see, please take a look at our rewards and back us. Thank you for your support.
Tastes good?
It's good.
There are times when carrying a wallet or purse is impractical, uncomfortable, or just a little bit risky. So we made Curve, the world's first contactless payment ring. Now you can leave all this at home and still pay for stuff with a single gesture. No PIN or paired smartphone required. You can use Curve to make instant payments anywhere that displays the contactless payment symbol, which, at last count, was over 38 million locations worldwide. Engineered from zirconia technical ceramic, Curve is hypoallergenic, nearly as scratch-resistant as diamond, and waterproof. And unlike power-hungry smartphones or smartwatches, Curve never needs charging. But there's more to Curve than just payments. If you're in London, you can simply tap in on buses and on the Underground, avoiding card clash and that frenzied search at the barrier for your ticket or Oyster card. You can also store contact details to share with friends or colleagues at the tap of an NFC-enabled phone. And you can even use Curve to operate an NFC door lock to access your home or office. Curve, the world's first contactless payment ring.
Hi, I'm Mike Scully, creator of the LeverGear tool card. I founded LeverGear to design products that solve real problems, look great, and will last forever. We all have little projects that pop up in life, and they don't always happen when our tools are handy. It's annoying to have to spend time chasing down tools for a job that should take 10 seconds. If you're like me, it usually ends up getting added to your to-do list. That's why we created the LeverGear tool card. It's a multi-tool the size of a credit card that has 40 different tools. It's always with you, so you can get things done. I like to be prepared to handle any task, but I also hate the idea of carrying around a lot of extra stuff. A credit card-sized tool that could disappear in my wallet seemed like the perfect solution. We developed the tool card with a simple premise. The real estate in your pocket is precious, so you should own stuff that's actually worth carrying. We began our design process by brainstorming all of the functions we could pack into a credit card-sized multi-tool. We also tested every card that existed on the market. We thought a lot about the design and layout of the tool card. By nesting the tools, we were able to add tools and reduce weight without sacrificing strength. We kept the edges smooth so it feels great in your hand when you're using the tools. We chose not to have an exposed blade, so the tool card is TSA compliant and it won't damage your wallet. Instead, we added a blade protected by the can opener so you can cut cords, but not your fingers. The tool card weighs only 1 ounce and slips easily into your wallet, so you won't notice it until you need it. Or ditch the wallet altogether. The innovative money clip is designed to snap on with a click and disassemble with ease. No extra tools required, and no fasteners to lose, so you can quickly switch from wallet card to money clip. The tool card is made in America from blade quality 420 stainless steel, which is then heat treated for excellent strength and hardness. It's then bead blasted for a professional finish and laser etched for rich, permanent graphics. The tool card makes an awesome gift that will last a lifetime, and it's scheduled to ship before Father's Day and graduation. We've put in a lot of time to make this tool as good as it can be. Please help us by supporting our campaign and sharing it with your friends. Thank you.